If you had the chance to start a side hustle in 2025 that costs absolutely nothing to begin with, no upfront investment, no inventory, no office space, and no prior experience, would you take it? Because right now, AI has leveled the playing field so much that everyday people are building income streams from scratch with tools that you can access today for free. This isn't theory, this isn't hype. It's happening right now. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly which AI side hustles you can start this year with $0. And I'll walk you step by step through how to set them up. By the end, you won't just know what's possible, you'll know exactly what to do tonight to get your first side hustle running. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to AI Hustle Hub, because this channel is built to show you how to turn AI into actual income, not just cool demos. We're dropping practical strategies every single week that people are using to escape their 9-to-5, build faceless businesses, and create digital freedom. If you're serious about getting in early while everyone else is just scrolling, hit that subscribe button and lock in. Now, let's start with one of the most powerful plays you can make with zero money: AI-powered freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are exploding with demand for content, design, and marketing tasks. But most people are doing all of this manually. Here's where you come in. You don't need to be a professional writer or editor. With ChatGPT, you can generate a blog draft in minutes. Take that draft, run it through Hemingway Editor to polish it, and then use a tool like SurferSEO or Neuron Writer to optimize it for search engines. Suddenly, you've got a professional quality blog post that clients are willing to pay anywhere from $50 to $200 for. Now, multiply that by 10 clients a month, and you're easily hitting $1,000 to $2,000. And the crazy part? Your actual hands-on time per project might be less than an hour. But freelancing isn't just about writing. You can offer social media post creation, video script drafting, even email campaigns. Imagine this: a small business wants 30 Instagram captions for the month. You plug their product details into ChatGPT, ask for short, witty captions with trending hashtags, and you've got a deliverable in under 30 minutes. Package it nicely in a Google Doc or Canva template, and boom, you're charging $100 to $300 for what took you less than an hour. The ROI is insane. And because this requires no upfront cost, you just need an internet connection. You can start today. Now, freelancing is great for quick wins, but let's talk about something that builds true passive income: blogging with AI. This is one of my favorites because it compounds over time. Here's how it works. You start a free blog on platforms like Medium or WordPress. Using ChatGPT, you generate content around topics that people are already searching for, like best budget fitness gear for home gyms or how to use AI for productivity. These are high-intent search topics, meaning people who land on these articles are often ready to buy. Then you sprinkle in affiliate links from Amazon Associates or other affiliate programs. For example, if your article is about the best budget desk chairs, you drop in affiliate links to actual chairs on Amazon. Every time someone clicks and buys, you get paid a commission. And the best part is that once that blog post is up, it can keep bringing in traffic and income for months or even years without you lifting a finger. Think about it like this: if you publish just 20 high-quality AI-generated blog posts this month, and each one brings in $20 to $50 a month in affiliate commissions, you're looking at $400 to $1,000 every single month from work you did once. And unlike freelancing, where you trade time for money, this keeps paying you on autopilot. Now, let's move on to one of the fastest growing opportunities in 2025: faceless content creation. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are the biggest discovery platforms in the world right now. But here's the catch: most people don't want to show their face or spend hours filming. That's where AI comes in. You can literally build entire accounts powered by AI. For example, let's say you want to create a motivational TikTok page. You go to ChatGPT and ask it to write 10 short motivational scripts. Then you use 11 Labs to generate realistic voiceovers. For visuals, InVideo or Pictory can give you cinematic stock-style clips or AI-generated art. You stitch it together in CapCut, add trending music, and schedule it. Within weeks, you could have a page posting daily without ever stepping in front of a camera. Why does this matter? Because once those pages grow, you can monetize them through sponsorships, affiliate links, or even by selling digital products. Imagine hitting 50,000 followers and brands reaching out to pay you $500 for a shout-out, or funneling your audience into an affiliate product that makes you $1,000 a month. This is one of the fastest ways to build leverage with AI right now, and the barrier to entry is basically zero. Let's get even more practical. Another side hustle that costs absolutely nothing to start is AI-powered design. Platforms like Canva now integrate AI features that let you generate logos, thumbnails, and social media graphics in seconds. Here's the play. Head over to Fiverr and create a gig offering YouTube thumbnail design. Use Midjourney or Canva AI to generate 3 to 4 variations of a thumbnail for each client. Package it professionally, maybe even include a free revision, and you're charging $20 to $50 per thumbnail. Do just 20 thumbnails a month, and you've got $400 to $1,000 in income. And because AI does the heavy lifting, your actual workload is minimal. Another big one: AI-powered resumes and LinkedIn optimization. Job seekers are desperate to stand out in competitive markets. You can offer a service where you take someone's resume, plug it into ChatGPT, and ask it to optimize for specific job postings with keyword-rich phrasing. Then, use Canva to reformat it into a sleek, modern design. Deliver that back to the client and charge $50 to $200. You've just helped someone land interviews while earning money from a process that took you less than an hour. Again, no upfront cost, just your time and some smart prompts. Now, let's get into AI video editing, because this is exploding right now. Tools like Pictory, Descript, and Opus Clip allow you to take long-form videos and instantly repurpose them into short-form content with captions, jump cuts, and highlights. Businesses, podcasters, and influencers are all desperate to turn their content into TikToks, Reels, and Shorts, but they don't have the time or skills. You come in, offer an AI-powered repurposing service, and suddenly you're charging $200 to $500 a month per client. Land 5 clients, and you're at $1,000 to $2,500 in recurring monthly income. And since the AI tools automate most of it, your role is just overseeing and polishing. And let's not forget about e-commerce with AI. No, I'm not talking about drop shipping products from China. I'm talking about creating digital products with zero cost. You can use ChatGPT to generate ebooks, guides, or even online courses. For visuals, use Midjourney or Canva to create professional-looking covers. Then, list these products on Gumroad or Etsy. For example, you could create a 20-page ebook called 10 AI Side Hustles for Beginners in 2025 and sell it for $9.99. Sell just 100 copies, and you've made $1,000. And because it's digital, there's no shipping, no inventory, no overhead. It's pure profit after the initial setup. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, okay, these sound great, but can I really start with $0? The answer is yes. Almost all of these tools have free versions you can use to get started. ChatGPT has a free tier, Canva has a free tier. Grammarly, Pictory, Opus Clip, and even blogging platforms like Medium are free. You don't need to spend money up front. You just need to spend time learning how to use them effectively. And that's the edge. Most people will never take the first step. If you do, you're already ahead of 99% of people who just binge videos without acting. Let's talk strategy for a second. The key to making these side hustles work is focus and consistency. Don't try to launch all of them at once. Pick one that feels right for you, whether that's freelancing, blogging, content creation, or digital products, and commit to it for 30 days. Set a target, like landing your first client, publishing 10 blog posts, or uploading 20 TikToks. Once you hit that goal, then you can expand to other hustles. The danger is spreading yourself too thin and never giving anyone hustle enough time to actually work. Success comes from stacking small wins over time. And here's the best part. These hustles aren't just short-term plays. They're skills. Every blog post you write with AI makes you better at prompting. Every thumbnail you design sharpens your eye for marketing. Every client you land builds your confidence and network. These aren't just hustles. They're stepping stones to building a full-on business. The person who starts freelancing today could be running their own AI agency in a year. The person who starts a faceless TikTok today could be running multiple viral pages and pulling in sponsorships in 6 months. It all starts with $0, one decision, and one action. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one of these side hustles and start tonight. Don't wait until you feel ready. Don't wait until you've watched 50 more videos. Open ChatGPT, open Canva, open Fiverr, and take the first step. That's how every single successful AI entrepreneur got started. They didn't wait, they acted. And if you want more step-by-step breakdowns of exactly how to launch these side hustles, subscribe to AI Hustle Hub. This is the place where we're not just talking about making money online. We're actually building the roadmap to get there. If this video gave you value, share it with a friend who's been talking about wanting to make extra income in 2025. Because the truth is, the opportunity window's wide open right now, but it won't be forever. Early movers always get the biggest advantage. So be the person who takes action before it's mainstream. That's how you win with AI in 2025. And remember, you don't need money, you don't need connections, and you don't need years of experience. You just need to start. This is your moment. AI is here. The tools are free. The question is, will you use them?